Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize Blogger images and fix stretched images. If you've ever noticed your blog images looking distorted or stretched out of proportion, this quick fix will help you maintain professional-looking visuals across your entire site. First, you'll need to head over to blogger.com and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct blog if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find several menu options. Look for and click on Theme. This is where all your blog's visual customization happens, from layouts to colors and beyond. After clicking Theme, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the theme customization interface where you can make various adjustments to how your blog looks and functions. This is essentially the control center for your blog's appearance. Now, on the left side of the customization screen, scroll down until you find the option called Advanced. Click on it to reveal more detailed customization options. Once the Advanced menu expands, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, click on Add CSS. This is where we'll input custom code to fix those stretched images. At this point, I have a specific code ready for you. Feel free to pause the video right now to copy the code I'm displaying on screen. This CSS code is designed to ensure your images maintain their proper aspect ratio and don't get stretched or distorted when displayed on your blog. Take your time copying it exactly as shown to avoid any errors. Once you've copied the code, return to your Blogger customization screen and paste it directly into the custom CSS field. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters or extra spaces. This code will automatically apply to all images across your blog, ensuring consistent formatting. After pasting the code, look towards the lower right corner of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on it to apply your changes. Your blog will now process these customizations, and the stretched image issue should be completely resolved. And there you have it, your Blogger images should now display properly without any unwanted stretching or distortion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.